Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to everyone present here. I'm Shahana, I'm a student of Elite English Academy. Today we all are here to give a demonstration on our group project which we have made together, and the topics are agriculture, industries and human resources. So first of all, I would like to start with agriculture. So agriculture is a primary activity. It is the art of cultivating on the soil. It is also called farming. Global agricultural products can be approximately 4 billion tons of food, 30 million tons of natural fibers, and 11 million tons of food. Agriculture is the major sector of the Indian economy. It is present in the country for thousands of years. So thank you everyone for Nasim will give say a few words on industries.
Give a demonstration on industries. Industries refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals and provision of services. Industries can be classified into private sector, state-owned, public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned and operated by the individuals or the group of individuals. Public sector industries are owned and operated by the government such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Joint sector industries are owned and operated by the government and industries or the group of industries. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the suppliers of raw material and workers or both. Industry system consists of inputs, outputs and processes. Inputs are the raw materials, labor, cost of land, power and other infrastructure. Processes are the that convert the raw material into finished product, and the outputs are the end product and the income earned from it. So thank you, and now my friend Tahmid will give a demonstration on human resource.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Myself Tahmid Hussain and I am from the 8th standard of Elite English Academy. Today I am here in front of you all to give a demonstration on human resource. Human resource means the set of people who make up the workforce of an organization. It is the knowledge that a human possesses and utilizes it for the benefit of the company. It is also known as people. So now, human resource is beneficial in agriculture because it affects how the farmers use their knowledge to make the foods grow better. And the humans use their knowledge to find the best suitable soil, best suitable climate, vegetation topography, etc. And this is how human resource is helpful in agriculture. Human resource is also helpful in industries because of human resource, the people make sure that the company faces any challenges that they might overcome, any challenges that threatens their company. It also makes sure that the workers are working safely, working properly. It finds the best suitable place to set up their organization, to set up their industry and all. Thank you. And